One small boy pikin, he don't die for that side where they call am say Pete Banjun, na for west region, na so for palava for rainway fall for that side. Tori for this afternoon, we go tell na as wey people the way they shidon for corner road where they go for field for Rumdaja, they don't chakara all their house them. Na for Sika say palava for Ndamba for 2019, governor delegate for Garwa, he want clean the whole town. As well the talk so, gendarme people them too for inside Douala here. They don't do fine work, they don't catch plenty thief people them. Now 419, now one way they enter for inside house for thief for people their house. Now even one them where they thief now here people them. All that one them, now way the people them for gendarme, they show them for population. Yesterday, this afternoon, we go turn back to for waiting when newspaper them they don't talk for outside. We go enter for the Guardian Post, the Post Weekender, Nouvelle Expression, Cameroon Tribune, Mutation, all them they get their own story where they get for talk this afternoon. Big part talk, the talk for we say Yamangoro the life for ton with the bag. Now for Sika say he no want any problem for palava for land. I say Yamangoro the ton with the bag. For Sika say he no one problem for palava for land. Now adjutant chef Saboke Savom for that side for gendarme brigade for Ntarikon. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. Me I dey come back some more time. Good afternoon, happy weekend for all now, and people that way they go for legendary hospitality town now for enter fine for day for Sika race for hope where go happen for day tomorrow. But now so make we talk to the way concern with plenty. We take on go for that side for Pete Banjun now for Kunki subdivision or division side they would go there where they will na palava for rain country people them that woman where they see and so now small picking that where they call them say Steve. For Sika, heavy rainway for that side, water way it be the worker for roads, a lost roads, it can broke enter for inside this woman house. One time, water he enter na for side way this pikin it be the shidon. This pikin be the sleep for inside. Now so to the water enter broke wall, it carry that pikin kill him for inside that side. So for Pete Banjuna so na the sea and so now so we say with Tory people that land for that side, they take Siam. The division officer says he land for the Madam Antoinette. He talk say where people they take B house now the one way the worry people them plenty. For Sika say some of them know they even respect commandeer for how for B house. Buy cement where he find for use and be a house for place where you sabi say water he no go ever worry. But according to them, they no one hear that one. Now for Sika why that way now so they cry. Small picky where they call it say Steve, small fine boy now that is also there now for primary school. He don't go in. As a waiting, he don't die for Sika palava for rain where he fall for that side. People they now they make cry die. Sabi say na so for that side so from Buddha West region where first rain for that side it cause plenty confusion. And as well the first rain cause confusion, na so too for inside the same that side from Buddha or for Pete Banjun, small pikin too he don't die for Sika water rain where he run enter for inside money house. He broke wall for house, he meet up pikin where they sleep on top bed, he chakada the house. So con the people them big cry die for that side so for Pete Banjun. We go take una go for side where they call them say Garwa, Rumdaja. Population they decline now with their eye. I say Rumdaja population they decry now with their eye. Waiting it happen for the country people them. Waiting it happen for them. Now people them way they so they shit down for corner roads where you dey go for big field for Garwa side day. Sabi say big field for Garwa side day, they go the knock Ndamba for day for 2019 for Palava Man Ndamba. Yes, they go the knock Ndamba for them for Palava Man Ndamba. Now for Sika why that way country people them, they be don't give the people them time. Say make they come out for day. They no be one come out. Now way Garwa cancel people them come out for outside with caterpillar. police people dem for outside, governor delegates, SDO, all dem be there for outside for see as well they dey chakara this place. I say all the one dem so na palava for Ndamba for 2019. They want and say make that road where e dey go for Rumdaja field for Garuade make e open so that all train that they come the FCC road as well road e open. So now so that people they cry plenty. They say they no service where they go Shidon again after where they can chakara the housing. Caterpillar come out move all that housing. People they struggle now for carry their zinc. But who side they go carry that zinc? Go keep them. Now the big question that even as well they cry, they no fit cry reach for any side. For Sika say according to City Council for Garua, they be don't talk for them plenty moon way don't pass. Say make they try for check as well they come up for that place. For Sika say small time they go can check out the place. And for true. City Council, e don't talk to way, e don't do to way, talk e don't chakara them. Now so now for them for start cry, but they get for cry, find place where they get for Shidon. For now so they no get another way for do. They say Ndamba they come for 2019. For second Ndamba, people there for country they get for here bad, they get for suffer small. As we Caterpillar, it is also work for that side. It is also work for say make place e clean. They no want to say Boko Haram, e go hide for some side, then it wait some motorway they come one time. So Caterpillar they do work for side for Garua. They say Rumdaja roads we must to open. All my way they pass, it must to see another faraway place. So all that people them where they be the Shidon for that side so for Rumdaja now so. Now for them for find different place or Shidon as we all their house Caterpillar, Edon Chakara and Sabi say police people them if they know for the day as Sabi say things are for bad. I say things are for bad. Now where they no get house now for Palava for Shidon wait till when governor he go do for inside this Palava. We go come for inside Douala here country people them Palava take people them. First group for the people that want to go Shiam, they want them. Now one way they did knock man stick fine. I say they did knock man stick fine. They want the sabi for make fake land certificate. I say they want them. They sabi for make na fake land certificate. And when they make you fake land certificate, now so too they sell them for people, then people they take them. So after investigate where they so Lieutenant Colonel Wundi Emane. All then they don't make investigate for on top the people them last they can't catch them say for true now people the way they make fake land certificate. Yes, fake land certificate. They feel you go meet them so they get sense for do one. But one of them in the talk say now fat lie say they know the ever do and say they be people the way they make photocopy for that side for Bonanjo. Say they only can catch them for go make investigate it can't turn and say waiting they be tip people them. So last Kamamburu people that are gendarme people them for Bonanjo, they don't put them from Gata. They talk say they make now only fake land certificate. Sell them for people there for outside. Now so two people then too they can buy. Now in that now the fake land certificate then that is no they sabi for do the team fine. All team for day according to gendarme people them also na fake. I say also na fake. You see no they sabi the work fine. They sabi the work fine. So take any man when he say you see the thing, you no go believe self say na fake. Now 419 people them. Now one way they did knock stick man fine, they knock you stick, you lost sense, you forget. Una enter for motor, make they carry una go for different side. Yes. Una enter for na motor, make take una go different side. Now so another set for people them. Now one the way they be attack Hiho couple for inside Douala here. For side where they call and say Carrefour Dalip. Yes. Now for the way they attacks on Hiho couple. They call the Hiho people, they say Shen Yanjin. Yes. Now they name that there for the couple. Shen Yanjin. Mr. and Mrs. Shen Yanjin. Now they name that. Number 15 day for November moon for 2017. Around that kind of 11:45 for night. Now we deep people them. Meet up Hiho people them for that side for Carrefour Dalip. They want finish with them. On top that one, country people them, they talk say they thief 16 million. You see that shake a shoot no? He shake a shoot, you make any mistake, they finish. You see the one self. They want so with a big mop. You see that one big mop, that one so it bullet come up for them now just for finish, you know. Now for finish you one time. Now another said than this. Then they attack Nason Hiho man. I say the thief 16 million from that man. They take other thing that you been get that telephone them and even motor, all that small thing the way they thief am. And the people their name, all them so may argue na name small. One in name na Melen Ekoka. A name na Muna Sawa. Yes. Na way e dey so e thief iPhone 4 for that he help people them. Another one in name na Yonkam Gasajan Aminu alias Transporter. Hey, another one in name na Kwendem Jean-Pierre Aruna and another one Lotigre Tiger. Oh boy, Tiger. So now them that. Now they gun them that where they take attack that he hop couple where they call and say Shen Yenjing. So Kamamburu or gendarme people they now so they get for the continue for make their investigate whether their new house it go be now for New Bell or their new house it go so remain for gendarme place of Bonanjo. Ambassador Eno Sabi then for talk tori as way a come meet up. So make una chop that one with una eye. Another set for the people them. It be then a big day for gendarmerie place. I say it be then a big day. They want them. Oh boy. They want the sabi for thief now for inside quarter. Cité de Palmier site and other places for Bonaberi them. They get a PhD. Now then three then that no. They get a PhD for thief. I say PhD for thief. They get their name Jawel Pierre Jocelyn alias Kaluji. You get Tianu Gires alias Chinois, meaning alias Chinese man. Then you get another person where named Yanga Esther Malino, na how they call them, where they so all them. They don't join hand, they worry people them for inside their house them. They be the thief so with Kamamburu they close them, now then that. You see Kamamburu then close them, no? Where they be the thief with them. All thing where Kamamburu get and they get, and then on top that one, they add that trom grass. They add banger for day. When they smoke and so high, they meet up you, they need the even year one. You talk, they finish with you one time. Now in that, now think that they be used until for our side. So Kamamburu people them for that side, so for gendarme people them, for a Legion office for Douala Yen, and then come out all the people them. It be then a big day for gendarme people them. After investigate, now where they take come out all the people them so for outside, for tell we say for true, with gendarme for inside we country. You know the sleep. Now so too with the textile, we talk say all the work now thanks for Abina Ahanda where is a sep. It be the look of the thing where the other colonel them. They should down for back, they work small. So now for tell them congratulate them, for talk for gendarme people them for that side for Bonanjo say congratulate. As I be so na down na plenty. All corner way gendarme they do correct work for say make we dey fine. Now so we go for that side for Chang. For Chang side, now for talk say the new dean for faculty for medicine, they don't put it for chair. Now university for Chang, we don't enter. So yes, university for Chang. New dean for faculty for medicine, they call it say Professor Chukam Simeon. They don't put it for chair. And now the director says for university for Chang, where they call it say Roger Namfoko Safak, now he put it for chair. And the same day where they put this new dean for faculty for medicine for chair for university for Chang, now the same day where university work people them, they decide say make they give some small thing, say make they give some small happy new year for a big man for inside university for Chang. Sabi say this university, the faculty for medicine, now the first one that they get them, and it never overtake way Nkunkuma said a sign book, say make they open faculty for medicine for inside university for Chang. And the first man for them where go she done for that chair like dean, they call it say Professor Chukem Simeon. Yes, now it be the name where they put him for chair, and it be then a big day too for talk happy new year for Oga Rector Professor Roger Namfoso Chafak for University for Chang. Last story for this afternoon, now for Douala side here, make we take una go for Bonaberi side here. Douala 4, work people then SESEP, they don't come out for outside. Work people then for that side for Douala 4, then SESEP they come out for outside. For talk say Happy New Year for their mayor. Sabi say mayor na the look at that side so for Bonaberi. Now for Sikawa that we all work people them inside Douala 4, they talk say me they try for see how they go talk Happy New Year for Mr. Mayor for that side so for Douala 4. Sabi say Douala 4, cover big place, Bonaberry side. Now all them so they look out, and so all what people them they be shidon for inside for talk say Happy New Year, Papa Mayor, and Mayor yourself a take style, a talk for a what people then say thank you, and a promise for them say wetin go happen. New year, new fashion. All people they know the work fine. Make the sabi say work it must to be as well. We don't get for big things, and if you the work fine, now so to Mayor I go give you congratulate for the fine work. After all what people then takes time salute Mayor. Yes, give small kiss Oga Mayor. They start salute small. Happy New Year, Pa Mayor. Take small thing, give small kiss again. Voila. All thing. Give small one. Yes, give small kiss. Give small kiss before you take that card. You know give am. So now so they take the am. Voila. Small one. You correct so. Wake up. Una the talk, wake up now, Pa Mayor. Voila. Over small. So now so the team pass now so the team pass for that side. So for Douala 4.